Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you about the difference between OPPO Reno 11 5G and OPPO Reno 11 Pro. So guys, this is OPPO Reno 11 Pro and that color is called Rococo White, and this color and design similar to Huawei P60 if you remember. And guys, this green one is OPPO Reno 11 5G. As you can see here, both together. So guys, let's talk about specification of both, and at last I will tell you which one is worth buying. So guys, as you can see, both have same display, 6.74 inches AMOLED 120Hz display. OPPO Reno 11 5G and OPPO Reno 11 Pro both have same display, but chipset is different. OPPO Reno 11 5G have MediaTek Dimensity 8200, but OPPO Reno 11 Pro have a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. So guys, if you want gaming, then OPPO Reno 11 Pro is best because it has Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. So guys, let's talk about the camera. Both have triple camera setup, 50 megapixel, 32 megapixel plus 8 megapixel. So let's do a camera test and zoom test of both. As you can see here, the camera quality is mind blowing. 50 megapixel camera. So guys, both have 32 megapixel selfie camera. OPPO Reno 11 have a 4800 mAh battery with 67 watt charger, but OPPO Reno 11 Pro have 4700 mAh battery with 80 watt charger, and both runs on Android 13 operating system. Now guys, let's talk about the price and other features. OPPO Reno 11 5G price is 30k price in India. OPPO Reno 11 Pro price is 40k price in India. OPPO Reno 11 5G have 8GB RAM and 12GB RAM variant. But OPPO Reno 11 Pro have 12GB RAM variant. OPPO Reno 11 5G have 256GB storage and 512GB storage. But OPPO Reno 11 Pro have 256GB only storage. OPPO Reno 11 5G have 4K at 30 fps video recording option, but in OPPO Reno 11 Pro have 4K at 60 fps video recording. Guys, both have NFC and both have finger under display feature. Guys, let's talk about the other features of OPPO Reno 11 5G and OPPO Reno 11 Pro. Guys, both have no any jack, unfortunately 3.5mm jack, but both have speakers. Guys, OPPO Reno 11 Pro and OPPO Reno 11 5G have 3 colors: black, green and silver. OPPO Reno 11 5G have 184 gram weight. OPPO Reno 11 Pro have 190 gram weight. So it means OPPO Reno 11 is light. Guys, according to my view, if you want gaming, then OPPO Reno 11 Pro is best, but if you want normal purpose, then OPPO Reno 11 5G is best. In this way you can save up to 10k in India. Thanks for watching.